Jobs are being supplanted or transformed by AI? Or is this just an indicator of a weakening labor market?
Everybody is going to be augmented by AI.
Unfortunately, the rapid progress in AI comes with many short-term risks. We urgently need research on how to prevent these new beings from wanting to take control. They are no longer science fiction.
Round of layoffs costing tens of thousands of tech workers.
AI taking over jobs, transforming roles, and changing how humans work. Is this real? Is it exaggerated? And what does it mean for us in 2026 and beyond? According to McKinsey & Company, 94% of employees and C-suite leaders report some familiarities with the generative AI tools. Their survey also found that employees self-report higher usage. About 13% of employees use Gen AI to complete 30% of their tasks. Meanwhile, globally, 72% of companies use AI to complete at least one of their business tasks. And AI isn't coming, it's already here. A 2025 report by the World Economic Forum states that 92 million roles would be displaced, even though there would be a net gain of 78 million new roles. Entry-level jobs are especially vulnerable. About 40% of employees are expected to reduce their workforce as tasks can be automated. Traditionally, companies have operated under a triangular structure where the widest base represents the entry-level employees who do the routine or the operational tasks. As you move forward, the number of positions narrows, with fewer mid-level managers and an even smaller group of senior executives at the top. This structure has long reflected how organizations build experience from the bottom up, allowing employees to progress through clearly defined levels. This structure has long reflected how organizations build experience from the bottom up, allowing employees to progress clearly defined levels. However, with the rise of AI and automation, this traditional triangle has started evolving into a diamond structure. As AI takes over these repetitive and entry-level roles, the base of the triangle, those junior roles, begin to shrink. At the same time, organizations increasingly require these middle-level specialists who can manage these AI systems, analyze data, and also make strategic, tech-informed decisions. The result is a broader middle layer and a narrow base and top, resembling a diamond shape. This shows that AI not only changes how work is done, but also the organizational structure is changed, and also shows how career progression might look like in the future. The risk isn't in any futuristic jobs, it's already in many tasks now. IBM Corporation found that in customer support using AI for email, call, or ticket data, the cutoff cost is 23.5% by automating responses. In the finance sector, algorithmic trading accounts for already 72% of the US equity market volume using machine learning. According to the breakdown of Microsoft corporations, jobs with high risk of AI replacement include interpreters or translators, ticket agents, telemarketers, proofreaders, editors. On the flip side, occupations like database administrators, database architects, software developers are expected to grow between 2026 to 2033 in the US, even though they are AI exposed. The 2025 report by PwC, The Fearless Future, found that industries more exposed to AI have 3x higher growth in revenue per employee. Also, wages are rising 2 times faster in these AI-exposed industries. Meanwhile, the skill change in these AI-exposed industries are happening at a rate of 66%, more than 2.5% faster than the previous year. That means disruption isn't slow. Even roles that thought to be safe are changing very fast. Academic research shows that in developing countries like India, there is a double vulnerability: low skill employment and high automation risks and lower AI readiness. The PwC report found workers who have AI skills command 56% wage premium compared to those workers who are not using AI skills. Jobs in AI-related fields are growing faster. One US Q1 2025 report found 35,445 AI-related positions with median salary of $156,000. So the opportunity side is real, but many will need to adapt. The ILO update shows that the overall automation score in 2025 is slightly lower than 2023, meaning full automation isn't uniform or immediate. Adoption, preparedness, regulation, local economic forces all vary by its region, job type, and resources. So, what should you be thinking about as this AI wave continues? Here are 3 big takeaways. Be aware of risk, especially in routine tasks. If your job role has lot of predictable, repetitive tasks, those are more vulnerable. Don't panic, but don't ignore these signals. Skill up and aim for roles where humans plus AI collaborate. The data shows that workers with AI skills are preferred more. So focus on less automatable skills like creativity, empathy, complex judgment, and also human-machine partnership. Stay flexible and open to transition. With large number of displaced or changed roles expected, being ready to pivot helps. The WEF estimates many jobs require career change by 2030. Think about how AI can assist you rather than replace you. So to summarize, yes, there is a real reason to think the shift is significant. The AI job apocalypse headline is attention grabbing, but the real story is more nuanced. Lots of change, risk, but also new opportunities. If you want to build a resilient future, leverage your uniquely human strength and also stay open to change. If you found this video useful, do subscribe and comment which jobs do you think will be disrupted by AI. Until then, see you all in the next one. Thank you.